Hey guys, so today I'm going to model the thinking steps on how to recount details in a story using these 3 steps. And today I am going to type them out, and then you guys are going to go and try to do the same thing that I just did so it can help you answer the questions for your exit ticket today. So pay close attention. So the first step says, name the main characters and the setting. So in Emma's rug, well, it's Emma, so Emma is the main character. And the setting, well, it takes place mostly in her house. So setting in Emma's house. So that's step 1. I named my character and the setting is in Emma's house. Step 2 is name the problem or what the character wants. So as I was reading this and I remember, I know that she was an artist and that she really looked at her rug for inspiration. So I know that in the beginning, right, the problem is that Emma stops drawing because her mom ruined her rug. So I'm going to go ahead and put that for the problem. Emma, the main character, stops drawing because rug gets ruined. All right, so step 3 is tell the story in order. So it's really important to tell the story in order, in logical order from beginning, middle, and end, because that helps us identify key details in a story, and we know where we need to go to if we know the beginning, the middle, and the end of a problem. So the first thing is tell the story in order. So who is in it? The problem in the beginning. The first problem that I know, because right here she was really happy. She had gone in the limo. She had gotten her award. And then in that morning, the beginning is that her mom washes her rug. So that's the beginning. So Emma's mom washes her rug. All right, now it says to go to what characters do about the problem in the middle, right? So what does Emma do in the middle, right? After her mom washes her rug. Well, I can see here that Emma, she stops painting, right? And she throws away her rug and all her art. So I'm going to go ahead and put that because that's what Emma does. So Emma throws away her rug and she stops painting. All right. Now the last step, the end. How the problem is resolved in the end. So this is the solution, right? How is this going to help me understand, right? So the problem was that Emma throws away her rug and stops painting, right? She thinks that she needs this rug because it is her inspiration. And how is the problem solved at the end? When I know that here, and I'm going to read this just to make sure. So it says, Emma rushed outside. It can't be, she said, breathing faster. She saw the eyes watching her, and then the faces of creatures all around her. She knew them from before she had thought she would never see again. I can see you, Emma cried with joy. The trees rippled as if the laughing, and then it was quiet. So I see here that she was able to see again, right? And in the illustration here, I also see that she finds her inspiration because she's starting to see that again, right? And I know that the problem is solved because she happens to draw again. So at the very end, she starts drawing again. So how the problem is solved is that Emma discovers that her inspiration is in the world around her and does not need her rug to draw. All right, so I'm going to make sure that I did all my steps. So step 1, name the character, Emma, and setting. Step 2, name the problem, Emma stops drawing because rug gets ruined. And step 3, I told it in order. So first, Emma's mom washed the rug. Emma throws away her rug and she stops painting. Then how is the problem solved? Well, Emma discovers that her inspiration is in the world around her and it does not need her rug to draw. So right now, your job is going to go ahead and fill this out by yourselves and let's see how you do. Good luck.